Hi, my name is Kristen from the Crystal Lake Public Library, and today we're going to be reading a spooky story called Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyle, and it is illustrated by S.D. Schindler, and I have permission to read it from Simon & Schuster, the publisher. Have you ever had the hiccups? And when they come, doesn't it happen all day long and it's so hard to get rid of? Well, our friend Skeleton here is trying everything to get rid of his hiccups. So follow along with me in the book and we'll see if he can get rid of those hiccups in the end. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Oh, horrible way to start your day, don't you think? He took a shower. Hic, hic. He brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Oh my. Look at what happened to his teeth. He polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Uh-oh, look at what happens if you carve a pumpkin while you have the hiccups. See all of the slashes all around the face? If you have the hiccups, get rid of them before you try carving your pumpkin, or it's a mess. He rakes some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no, look at how the leaves go everywhere. He's trying to make a pile, but with every hiccup, they go farther and farther away. Played with Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no, there goes the ball. When he was hiccuping, he missed it. Hard to play catch if your mitt is going everywhere. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Didn't work. Eat some sugar. Choked on the sugar because he was hiccuping. Didn't work. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Ick, ick, ick. How about if you drink some water upside down? Ick, ick, ick. Oh no. Look at what happened to the water. It's coming out of his eyes, but it didn't get rid of the hiccups. Nothing is working. Ghost made a face. And he said, boo! To Skeleton. Not working. Nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. So, Ghost got smart. I wonder what Ghost is looking for in that trunk. Found a mirror. Held it up. And Skeleton screamed. Ah! The hiccups left. Hic. Hic. Then jumped away. And there they go, bouncing down. Maybe to go bother someone else. Well, I hope you don't get hiccups from eating too much sugar at Halloween, but I hope you have a very safe and happy Halloween, and we hope to see you soon on another virtual program here at the library. Happy Halloween and have a great day.